Louisa's story. We all have hobbies. Some like sports, some like reading, and some like collecting various things. Let us listen to a story about a girl named Louisa who liked writing stories and plays. Once upon a time, there were 4 little girls who lived in a big house in the countryside. The house was very old, and creepers grew on its walls. The girls had a wise father who told them lovely stories. He also taught them their lessons in such a beautiful way that it was better than play. Their mother was a merry, kind woman who helped them work and play. The girls had all the great green country to play in. There were dark, shadowy woods, green meadows, vast fields of wheat and barley, and a bubbling stream that glittered like diamonds in the afternoon sun. They also had a big barn. One of the little girls was named Louisa. She was very pretty. She was also very strong. She could run for miles through the woods and not get tired. Louisa had a remarkable brain in her little head. It liked to study. It also thought interesting thoughts all day long. Louisa had a small diary. Sometimes she would sit in a corner by herself and note down her thoughts in it. She liked to make up stories of her own and write poems too. The girls would wake up early in the morning, make their beds, and sit down to study. When they had finished their lessons, they would help their mother set the table for breakfast. After that, they would go to the big barn to play. Their favorite game was pretend play. The girls loved acting more than anything. They had made the barn into a theater and invited the grown-ups to come watch the plays they acted in. It was great fun. One of their favorite plays was Jack and the Beanstalk. They had a ladder that went from the floor to the loft. On the ladder, they tied a squash vine all the way up to the loft to look like the wonderful beanstalk. One of the little girls dressed up to look like Jack. When it came to a part in the story where the giant tried to follow Jack, the little girl cut down the beanstalk, and the giant came tumbling down from the loft. The giant was made out of huge pillows. Another story that they loved to perform was Cinderella. They made a pumpkin carriage out of the wheelbarrow. When the fairy godmother waved her wand, Cinderella rolled away in it. Louisa loved all these plays. She made some of her own and wrote them down so that the 4 of them could act in them. Louisa liked writing stories best. She continued to write stories and wanted to get them published. But she was unable to do so. People even told her that she was wasting her time. But Louisa never stopped writing. At last, one day, a publisher asked Louisa, who had now grown into a woman, to write a book for girls. When she thought about what to put in the book, she remembered the good times she used to have with her family. She wrote about her dear mother and her wise father. She also wrote about her little sisters. She wrote about the jolly times and the plays, and also about the sad and hard times. When the book was written, she called it Little Women. The book made Louisa famous. It was so sweet and funny, so sad and real, that everybody wanted to read it. Everybody bought it, and much money came from it. Louisa wrote many more beautiful books. She became a well-known writer. That's the story of Louisa May Alcott, the famous American author who made a living out of her hobby.